Hello, today we're going to be cold starting the 53 Chevy. So let's go ahead and get into it. So I just put the battery in. As you can tell, the ignition switch and all that has been took out. It's all rigged up right now. I've been having some wiring problems with that, but we'll go ahead and give her a start up and see what she does. So it actually started up really easy. Dang, I drove it yesterday. Goes to show, very easy to start up. Alright, well, let's go over a few little things. Pretty well under the hood. Got the original inline 6. Got, of course, the 3-speed on the column. If you want to see videos of me driving it, definitely check out the channel. And hope everyone enjoyed this little video. Have a good one.